Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate website analytics with Crazy Egg, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by creating an account on the Crazy. Once you have an account, log into the platform. In the dashboard, click on the Add a New Site button. Enter the URL of the website you want. Select a tracking option, typically either standard or A/B testing. After that, click Add Site to continue. You will then see a unique tracking code generated for your site. Copy the provided tracking code. Next, open the backend of your website. Paste the tracking code into the header section of your website. If you're using a content management system, like WordPress, you can use a plugin to add the code easily. Save the changes to your website. Now return to Crazy Egg and click on the site you just added. Wait a few minutes for Crazy Egg to start collecting data. Once data begins to populate, access the various reports available. These reports include heat maps, scroll maps, and user recordings. Review the heat maps to see where users are clicking most frequently. Examine the scroll maps to identify how far down your page's users are scrolling. Use user recordings to watch real-time interactions of users on your site. Analyze this data to gain insights into user behavior and preferences. With these insights, adjust your website to improve user experience and engagement. Steadily monitor the analytics using Crazy Egg to continue optimizing your website. Repeat this process regularly for ongoing website improvements and analytics automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.